Leadership isn't a workshop. It's a culture. Whether you're bringing in expert trainers or leveraging your internal team, the method matters less than the mindset. What truly moves the needle? A consistent, intentional leadership development culture. Leadership development is the #1 priority for 61% of organizations globally. But here's the catch. Only 5% have fully implemented it at all levels. That gap? It's where disengagement, turnover, and underperformance thrive. Our leadership development series is built to close that gap, making it easier to create a sustainable leadership culture, whether you're training internally with our Train the Trainer certification or inviting us to deliver on-site. Ask yourself, if leadership isn't consistently taught and reinforced in your organization, what is taking its place? Culture will build itself. Will you shape it intentionally?